Mr. President, colleagues, magandang hapon. I would like to thank our sponsor, the Chair of the Committee on Health and Demography, and the Committee Secretariat for producing the long-awaited Senate's version of the Magna Carta of Barangay Health Workers. I thank the committee for taking into consideration this representation's proposed measures and interventions for and on behalf of the Barangay Health Workers in the final committee report of the Magna Carta of PHWs. Nagpapasalamat po ako at kabahagi sa Senate Bill 2838 ang ilang advokasiyang atin ding isinusulong gaya ng lubos na pagkilala sa mahalagang papel at kontribusyon ng ating mga barangay health workers sa pagsasakatuparan ng universal healthcare bilang kabahagi ng primary healthcare service delivery, pagtatakda ng kaukulan at karampatang honoraria, allowances, benepisyo at insentibo para sa ating mga BHWs. Mga hakbang para mas gawin pang bibo ang ating mga BHWs sa pamamagitan ng competency-based training and education program. At sana, at sa proper time, maihabol ang kaukulang equivalency and accreditation at micro-credentialing ng mga programang ito, pagkilala at pagtataguyod sa mga karapatan ng mga BHWs, kabilang ang karapatan sa pag-oorganisa ng kanilang hanay at maging ang pagpapatibay sa pagkilala ng lipunan sa ating mga BHWs through the observance of Barangay Health Workers Day on April 7 of every year. However, Mr. President, good sponsor, I would just like to put on record that this representation aspires to the promotion of barangay health work as decent work. Thus, while I recognize and am glad that the Magna Carta of BHWs is a step towards this direction, much has to be done towards full recognition and protection of our barangay health workers as co-equal in rights, entitlements, and opportunities as public health workers. Umaasa ako, Mr. President, good sponsor, kaisa ng ating mga barangay health workers at kapwa-authors ng Magna Carta of Barangay Health Workers sa agarang pagpasa ng panukalang ito. Muli, isang pagpupugay at mabuhay ang ating mga barangay health workers.